Behind me is the most powerful force in the entirety of the universe. Ah! Hello! Hi! This is a puppy. It is darned cute. Say hello. What? There you have it. So we got her a couple days ago. And we are just going to admire her. She doesn't even have a name yet because everyone's too busy fighting over what it's going to be. We're between Banshee, Smidgen, and Buttercup. For whatever reason, those are the three names. Right? Right? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, hello. Hello. Say hi to your fans. Wait, here, hold on. Wait. Here is a puppy. There is a puppy. It is so small, it can fit right on my desk. And I often do live streams with her. Hello. Okay, but yeah, I just wanted to show you my new puppy. Okay. All right. Now, whoa! Don't slip. Okay. So, I don't know what to do now because, yeah. Yeah, I agree. Let's just sit. Also, I cleaned my room, so that's a thing. Hello! 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 Boom, 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 boom.